Get into it. Get into the bob. Get into it though. Like, okay, because the wig is bobbing. The wig is bobbing. No glue and no slip. Count me in. Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you guys another beautiful unit by NadulaHair, and I'm super excited because she is really a beauty, okay? And I cannot wait to show you guys. As you guys know, I don't like to talk too much. I like to get right into it, so let's get started. So this is everything I received inside of my package. We have a HD wig cap, a band for the lace, and we also have a silk bag. I always store my wigs in here, you know, when I don't want to keep the box that it comes in. This is how the unit comes inside of this plastic here. This is their 7x5 upgraded no slip glueless unit, you guys. And oh my god, right out of the packaging, get into that lace. Oh my gosh, it's giving scalp. That looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead and take the net off and everything so we can see what it's giving. Right away, the hair feels extremely soft. I love the density it comes in. Like, look at the texture too as well. This is their Yaki scrape texture. Extremely soft. The quality is definitely there, and I love the density that it comes into as well. As you guys can see with the lace here, it is already cut, ready to wear, and it is pre-plucked. I love that the knots are extremely small, which gives a realistic hairline. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. It's gonna blend with my skin so well, as you guys can already see. I love that it comes already in a middle part ready to wear as well. So that's exciting that it comes already ready, okay? Like, I don't have to do much work. This is their bob length. It's supposed to have layers, so I'm excited to try this on and see what it looks like. This is their no slip. I'm going to show you guys exactly what that means. They constructed it very well, so to make sure that, you know, there is a no slip in this unit on top of it being glueless, okay? So this is a glueless unit. They do have silicone strips in this unit and an elastic strap as well to give you that soft and secure snug fit. This is the strap here that you can adjust. I love that it's thin, which gives you that nice comfortable fit. And then back here you do have your drawstring, which gives you that maximum security, 360 all the way around the wig. It's very easy to use, so I love when the units have the drawstring. It just gives that security. So with this being with the drawstring, this drawstring fits all head sizes and shapes, so you don't have to worry about if the unit is going to fit you. Yes, it will. It fits all head sizes. You can make your own personal adjustments in the back. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this to my liking. Feels very much secure. Whew, very secure. Kind of hard to pull back because this is a no slip wig. As you guys can see, literally no slip. I have to lift the wig up in order for me to move it, because it definitely don't slip at all. Like, that's a real life no slip. I feel the security right away as soon as I put it on. I thought I was not gonna like this length, but I do, and it's so full. Oh my gosh. Hold on, wait a minute. This is giving more and better than I expected, honestly, truly. It definitely have like those layers in it that it did say. That lace is definitely melted very well. As you guys can see, that is a really nice hairline. Love it. It's plucked to perfection. This is where the lace basically stops. It stops right where your real sideburns hairline will start. So the same thing on both sides, okay? Same thing. If you wanted to part it on the side, you still can. It still looks like scalp all throughout the lace, so you don't have to do much plucking either way. Really love that. I'm definitely going to use my hot comb. Just press the back and just fix certain areas of the wig. But honestly, right out of the packaging, You don't have to do much. Like, if I wanted to, I can literally just walk out the house like this and go. Let's be honest. Like, I can go just like this and it doesn't look crazy. It looks really good. So I appreciate how they took their time and constructed the wig. It's really, really a nice quality. On top of that too as well, I do like that it's a Yaki texture. It definitely mimics my real hair texture a lot, which looks very much more realistic on me. So I like that a lot. This is really, really pretty. I went ahead and plugged up my flat iron so that we can just fix the back a little bit. As far as the length goes, I love the length. The security on this unit is amazing. When I tell you, as soon as you adjust your straps and everything and the drawstring in the back, you're gonna feel the sense of security. The only thing you have to do with the back of the drawstring is just tuck it in. So if you guys are wondering what to do with this piece, after you adjust it the way that you want, the way that you like, all you have to do is just tuck it underneath. And after you do your adjustments, you're gonna see how well this wig does not slip or move. Like, and the fact that you don't have to use any glue is amazing. When I say don't move, don't move. You can tint the lace if you want to, if you feel like you need it to melt a little bit much more better for your complexion. Everybody's different complexions. I just use my brush, my makeup brush, my foundation brush, and I just use the residue that's on it, and I just basically just do like this to the front of the hairline so that it can just, you know, blend with my skin. I already have makeup on, so you know, just make sure everything is blended, and then that's it. You can use actual hair tint, whatever you feel comfortable with, powder, all that good stuff, whatever you feel like is best for you, just so that it can blend for you. Because like I said, everybody has a different complexion, and if you feel like you need it to blend a little bit better, that's just something that you can do. My usual go-to thing on Yaki texture hair, I will use a little bit of oil sheen on the top just for, you know, a little bit more shine. Sometimes I use a little bit of hydrating mousse just on the top of the unit, just for frizz and things like that. So that's just something you can use. This is just something I'm going to do while I wait for the flat irons to get hot. Don't need too much of it, just a little bit. It's a nice little shine. You can use your hair serum or whatever you feel comfortable with. I use serum too as well. I want to show you guys the back of the unit so you guys can see how full it is. It's exactly what it looks like. Okay, the hair moves with you too as well, so I do appreciate the bob not being stiff. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this mousse here. You can use like some sort of like holding mousse. Make sure the mousse is not like curly mousse or like wavy mousse, because this hair does have texture. Yaki hair has its own texture, so you want to make sure that, you know, you're not messing with the Yaki texture too much. Yaki hair already have a lot of texture. This hair is like so soft. I keep running my hands through it. You guys probably like, girl, like you keep running your hands through this hair, because it's just so freaking soft. Okay, so I have the flat irons up to 419 degrees. You can put it up to 450, but I just put it to 419 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and just go through the hair. The wig feels very snug and secure, and is very comfortable ear to ear too as well. My ears can fit nicely, you know. We love a wig that where your ears fit comfortably, because there's a lot of wigs where, you know, your ears are not comfortable, and that can be annoying. So the wig is very comfortable and snug. Look how good that looks. Look how good that looks. Like, some parts of the hair already come pretty much bumped and ready to go, but you know, in the packaging sometimes this can happen, so I'm just fixing certain areas. That's about it, but there's not a lot of work to do. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. And I feel like when you put a little heat to it, it actually makes the hair even more softer, so that's a plus. Ride that
Walk my house, look like I'm in place. Walk in the strip, she gon' make you buzz. I do damage, can't stand it. Psycho, handy, like it's Marilyn Manson. Better cash advance it. You can spread it and enhance it. Pull the walk out the pantry. Ain't fly, looking dummy. I'll probably get fried. I look like a mommy. I'm getting this cash. It's Monday to Sunday. I got you on talk if it ain't by the money. My boys in the trap and they jump like a money. Got pounds and nothing funny.
This is so cute. It's giving like Bratz doll. It's like the cutest. It's so freaking cute. Like so pretty. Get into it. Get into the vibe. Get into it though. Like this is so cute. I love the layer too that they said that they had in the unit. It's just a little bit of layer right in the front. Love that, because usually sometimes when I do get bobs, I do end up like kind of cutting it a little bit right here. That little cut. Kind of do that myself, so I like that they did that for me. I don't even have to do that. I am gonna walk outside so you guys can see how this looks in real daylight outdoors real quick, so come with me. I don't know if there's much light, I don't know, but this is how it looks in the sun, in the light. You guys can see what it's giving in natural lighting and what the lace is also giving in natural lighting. It's really pretty. What y'all thinking? What y'all thinking? Hopefully this is good light. I have my camera flipped so I don't see myself, but if you guys are seeing this, I liked it. I end up liking how it came out outside. So and now we're back in. I love how it looks outdoor and indoor. So it looks good in all different light. The lace looks good outside and inside, because you guys know different light gives different things. Okay, so I have nothing bad to say about it. The density is perfect. I love a bob that comes full all the way to the ends of the hair. Like the hair is definitely full all the way through. I didn't have to do much. I literally just put it on and it was ready for me to go. I would of course suggest using the adjustable strap so that you can have it fit to your liking perfectly for your head. So just make sure that you adjust that, and once you adjust it and you put it on, you're gonna see how comforting it is, and it just really feels like it was constructed for my head personally. They did an amazing job with this. They really did. I'll give them that. They did a great job with the customization of this unit, and the fact that I didn't have to use any freaking glue, that's a plus for me. That is no glue at all, and I love that it's a no slip. Like this wig is not going nowhere. The only thing you see moving is my forehead, but that's it. You just see my forehead moving. Do you see the wig shifting? No. And it's no glue on top of that. Like, come on, stop it. No glue and no slip. Count me in. Like, this is definitely going to be my summer hair too as well, because it's perfect as far as length. I'm not going to be hot in this during the summer, and it's good for, like, you know, if you have a workspace, office space. Definitely giving classy, cute for Valentine's Day. It's very giving, you know, sophisticated, classy, sexy, really grown and sexy, you know. It's good for all occasions, honestly. Good for vacation too as well, because you don't have to do much to the hair. You can just get up and go. So this is good for all around occasions, even for the girls that's in college and don't have time for trying to do too much. Okay, like this is good right out of the box. All you have to do is just your little personal little touches, and then you're good to go. Of course, I'll have the full link in my description box. Until next time, I love you baby dolls so much. Go ahead and click that link and get this wig, okay, because the wig is bobbing. The wig is bobbing. I love you guys so much. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Mwah. Bye.